This is the weather forecast video for Wednesday, March 23rd, 2011. Let's first take a look at the storm reports from yesterday. It was quite an active day across the state of Iowa. 16 tornado reports, most of them in Iowa. I think there was one in eastern Nebraska. We've had at least one confirmed tornado in Harrison County and several other tornadoes that we know are confirmed from video. We'll see more on that later today. Here's the satellite image from last evening. You can see most of the cloudiness is now into north and east of the state, with a few thunderstorms stretching into northern Missouri, and those have now left the state, so we are now quiet. Here's the watch warning map. You can see that tornado watch that's over southeast Iowa has since expired. Flood watches in northeast Iowa for river flooding. Winter storm warnings from Montana eastward into Michigan. That's from this storm too. Here's the QPF chart. This is for the next 5 days through Sunday evening at 7 o'clock. And most of this precipitation is coming with the next storm system, and most of that may not be in the form of rain but snow. And here is the snowfall outlook for the next 5 days. And that could mean several inches of snow possible, mainly Saturday and Sunday. So let's look at it. This is the GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see here's that trough over the state with another one out west. Down below at the surface, the low pressure is well off to the east. Severe weather will be possible in that area. Moderate risk is in fact. Maybe a few flurries here in the northern part of the state. By Thursday, that storm is gone. Colder temperatures, highs will be around 40, lows in the 20s. It will be much colder, not warm and not spring-like anymore. As we move into Friday, you can see some moisture returning. That could mean some snow or rain, snow, or sleet with the 540 line nearby. We move ahead to Saturday. You can see low pressure near about Tulsa. Rain, snow, but the heaviest precipitation is likely to stay just south of the state, so we won't see like a big, huge snowstorm. Sunday, low over central Texas. A lot of the moisture will get shunted back south, maybe a few flurries that day. Monday, that storm organizes, moves across the south. We'll be on the cold side, so colder temperatures will prevail at least through the rest of this week into early next week. We head off to Tuesday. Cold air still nearby with high pressure system over eastern Missouri. But you can see here by a week from today, Wednesday, you can see southerly wind coming in with some warm air. So that might be when the next chance of warm weather will return by a week from today. Move ahead to Voodoo Country. This is Monday, April 4th. You can see a bit of a trough out south of the state. Down below that, low pressure over about Childress, Texas. That could mean some rain over the state, maybe a few thunderstorms. That could mean the next severe weather outlook. And then at the end of the forecast period on Thursday, April 7th, wavy pattern with a little bit of a vortex to the west of the state. And down below, you can see storm system out to the west, low pressure way up in Canada. Southerly winds, that could be fairly warm and stormy then. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.